welcome back to Turbo Trends. Today, we're checking out the hottest 2025 pickup trucks, packed with power, tech, and performance. Whether you're into off-roading, hauling, or just want a badass truck, we've got something for you. Stick around till the end to see which truck gives you the best bang for your buck. First up, the 2025 Ford F-150. This beast continues to dominate with a 3.5L EcoBoost V6, producing 400 horsepower and 500 lb-ft of torque. You can also opt for the hybrid or all-electric Lightning model. The F-150 is loaded with tech, including Blue Cruise hands-free driving. Pricing starts at $38,000, but fully loaded trims can hit $80,000. Next, the 2025 Chevy Silverado 1500. Chevy's flagship truck comes with multiple engine choices, including a 6.2L V8 pushing 420 horsepower. With a max towing capacity of 13,300 pounds, this truck is built for serious work. The interior now features a massive 13.4-inch touchscreen and Google-powered infotainment. Prices start at around $37,000, with high-end trims reaching $75,000. If you're looking for a tough off-roader, the 2025 Ram 1500 Rebel is a beast. With an available 5.7L Hemi V8 and 395 horsepower, this truck is built for adventure. Air suspension, skid plates, and all-terrain tires make it unstoppable on trails. Inside, you get a luxurious cabin with a 12-inch touchscreen and premium materials. Prices start at $45,000, but a fully loaded model can top $80,000. For those who want an electric pickup, the 2025 Rivian R1T is shaking up the game. This EV truck delivers up to 835 horsepower with a quad-motor setup, hitting 0 to 60 in just 3 seconds. It has a range of up to 400 miles and can tow up to 11,000 pounds. The adventure-focused design includes a built-in gear tunnel and camp kitchen option. Pricing starts at $73,000. Of course, we can't forget the 2025 Toyota Tundra. Powered by a twin-turbo V6 or a hybrid iForce Max, this truck delivers up to 437 horsepower and 583 lb-ft of torque. The interior is spacious with a 14-inch touchscreen, and Toyota's reliability is a huge plus. The starting price is around $40,000, with the TRD Pro model hitting $70,000. Which 2025 truck would you choose? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an update on the latest truck trends. See you next time on Turbo Trends.